Okay, this is the Ryobi 18-volt hybrid transfer pump. Here's just a demo of how it works. You can hear it running. I'm draining a hot water heater, and I had to get this little coupling. It's got two females on it because this hose comes with a female and male end, and this is a regular garden hose that runs to the sink to where I'm draining everything at. And as you can see, it's working good. Slam bam, thank you ma'am. Ryobi 18-volt pump. Up to 325 gallons per hour. It's doing a good job.